Payment for the purchase of a new home is often the most challenging part of the home buying process, and often gifted funds are a great way to cushion the financial impact of purchasing a home. Hello, this is Rick Miller, and I'm a realtor, and thank you for watching my Judico Properties YouTube channel, where we are dedicated to helping you maximize your buying and selling opportunities so you can make the best decisions for yourself and your family. Here's what you need to know about receiving gifted funds. An acceptable donor is someone who is not on the mortgage and can gift a set amount of money towards the purchase of a property. This can often be a family member who wants to help a first-time home buyer. Gifted funds must be documented. It cannot be a cash payment. Donors must provide a documented paper trail and a signed statement that says that no repayment is expected. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos, and let me hear from you. Until next time, if you're looking to sell, good luck with your sale, and if you're looking to buy, happy house hunting.